Title: Smart Dustbin, a simple solution to promote waste segregation. Introduction. The Smart Dustbin project aims to address the daily life problem of improper waste management and the lack of waste segregation practices. This innovative solution is designed to encourage individuals and communities to adopt responsible waste disposal habits, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment. The project is proposed as an entry for the Manik Inspire Award, which recognizes creative and sustainable ideas from young minds. Problem statement: improper waste management and the absence of waste segregation practices lead to environmental pollution, health hazards, and the inefficient utilization of resources. Lack of awareness and motivation among individuals and communities exacerbate this problem. Therefore, there is a pressing need for a practical and user-friendly solution to encourage waste segregation at the source. Objective: the primary objective of the Smart Dustbin project is to promote waste segregation by providing an automated and interactive system that simplifies the process of waste disposal for individuals. Project description: 1. Smart Dustbin design. The Smart Dustbin consists of two compartments, one for general waste and the other for recyclable materials. The compartments are color-coded and clearly labeled for easy identification. 2. Sensor-based technology. The Smart Dustbin is equipped with sensors that detect the type of waste being disposed of. The sensors analyze the composition of the waste, distinguishing between general waste and recyclables. 3. Interactive display. An interactive display is integrated into the Smart Dustbin to guide users through the waste disposal process. The display provides visual instructions and feedback, helping users understand the importance of waste segregation and offering tips on how to do it correctly. 4. Audio feedback. The Smart Dustbin incorporates an audio feedback system that provides real-time information to the user. It acknowledges the disposal of waste and offers positive reinforcement for following proper waste segregation practices. 5. Data logging and analysis. The Smart Dustbin system collects data on the types and quantities of waste disposed of. This data can be analyzed to gain insights into waste patterns, helping communities and authorities make informed decisions regarding waste management strategies. Expected outcomes: 1. Increased awareness. The Smart Dustbin project aims to raise awareness about waste segregation and its environmental benefits among individuals and communities. 2. Improved waste segregation. By simplifying the waste disposal process and providing real-time feedback, the project encourages individuals to segregate waste correctly, thereby reducing contamination and facilitating recycling processes. 3. Sustainable impact. The project's long-term impact lies in promoting responsible waste management practices, reducing landfill waste, and conserving valuable resources through effective recycling. Conclusion: the Smart Dustbin project offers a simple yet effective solution to address the daily life problem of improper waste management and the lack of waste segregation practices. By promoting awareness, simplifying waste disposal, and providing real-time feedback, this innovative project aims to contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable environment. The project aligns with the goals of the Manik Inspire Award by showcasing a practical and feasible solution to an existing problem while nurturing the creativity and problem-solving abilities of young innovators.